One of the biggest complaints about microwaves is that food never gets brown and crisp. This oven solves that problem with its grill feature that combines microwaving with a grilling element and a ceramic plate, so food can crisp and brown while taking advantage of super fast cooking. This has 10 power levels, a 1.4 cubic foot interior, and an LED display that's easy to read, even from a distance. For an elegant look, this has a shiny mirror finish and an asymmetric shape. The interior has a ceramic enamel interior for easy cleaning while also being scratch resistant. Auto cook options make it easy to cook common foods without guesswork. This has a slightly lower wattage at 950 watts, but the additional cooking functions speed the cooking time, so it can be as fast or faster than microwaves that don't have the additional features. While the mirror finish looks good, it means you can't watch the food as it cooks. A slightly smaller version of this model with a windowed door is also available. Overall, sized to fit your kitchen counter, this handy appliance combines traditional eating technology with a grilling element and a ceramic plate, allowing you to prepare sandwiches, bacon, fish, and other foods that are improved by a crispy finish. We would love to hear which of these amazing microwaves you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of the viewers like the most.